Hey Mpenzi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today it's gonna be a fun video. Today I'm cooking bhajias. Now this video was inspired by my sister-in-law Nicole. Hey, sorry for putting you out there. Anyway, so my sister-in-law came to visit a few weeks ago, and there was a time we went swimming at the beach, yeah. Then Nicole saw how bhajias are made and she was wondering, like, what are those? Apparently Nairobi people think viazi karai is bhajia. That's what they think. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to cook bhajia. My friend Nancy came through with the tutorial, and also I watched a few videos on YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys how to cook bhajia. So this video is for you, Nicole. This video is for you. So there are different ways of making bhajias. There's that other kind of bhajia. I'm going to insert the picture right here, and there's the bhajia zakunde, you know, using black-eyed peas. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to cook bhajia using the black-eyed peas, and I'm also going to cook the, you know, the cooked chili. Yeah, the, what is it called, pilipili ya kukaangwa. Yeah, I'm also going to try that. Guys, I'm only following recipes on YouTube and asking people how to do this. Like, I'm following like the easiest of recipes, you know, doing the bare minimum. Okay guys, make sure you like this video, you comment and share. And by the way, thank you guys for showing so much love on the previous video. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. And then one thing I would like to address, guys, thank you for the love, but I need you guys to comment on YouTube not on Facebook or Instagram. So if you watch my video, don't go back commenting on Facebook, comment on YouTube. Just scroll chini, you'll see the comment section. Comment there, because I need those comments on YouTube and I need those likes on YouTube as well. Okay, so please, thank you for the love, but your reaction should be on YouTube, not on Facebook, because the reactions are not helping me on Facebook. So if you comment on YouTube and you also like my videos are going to be recommended to other people, and more people can get to see my videos. That's how you're gonna help me. So guys, please comment on YouTube, not on Facebook. However, thank you so much for the love. The new subscribers, welcome to the family. And you know, share my videos, comment, like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So let's get to the video, people.
What you get is what you see, and I bring me.
Guys, so the first thing that you need to do is soak the black-eyed peas overnight. You then add the black-eyed peas, coriander, onions, some salt, and a little bit of baking powder. I forgot to tell you that you need to add garlic. Please add garlic before blending. After that, you blend the mixture. I had to change the blender because the one I was using at first had a bit of a problem. Blend until you have a smooth consistency like this. Use your hands or a spoon to carve out small balls from the paste. Carefully drop the balls into the frying pan. Fry the balls until they turn brown. This is the end product. I'm so proud of myself. As for the cooked chili, you need tomatoes, onions, coriander, garlic, Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Add a little water for blending. Fully blend the mixture. After that, add a little bit of oil in the sufuria, then add the blended mixture in the sufuria. Let the paste simmer until you achieve a thick consistency. This is the end product, guys.
Guys, so I've tasted the bhajias and the pili. Well, as for the bhajias, they needed a little bit of salt. I didn't put enough. I think that's the only thing that was missing. However, for the pili, geez, so hot sana. Otherwise, everything turned out okay. So guys, that marks the end of the video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And guys, remember, comment on YouTube, not Facebook, YouTube. Okay, just scroll Chilli and you'll see the comment section there, and leave your comment there and give this video a thumbs up. I can't say this enough. Otherwise, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, bye bye.